No matter how many attendees, the essence of collaborative meetings is for each participant to get what they need. That requires social skills, also known as soft skills or people skills, for everyone involved. If you're responsible for planning, preparing, and leading the get-together, you also need an expanded set of hard skills, also known as methods or techniques. Everyone has an innate set of soft skills. They're the personality traits and behaviors you acquire just by living in a society. They're interpersonal and behavioral attributes that are essential to effective collaboration. Short form, how well you play with others. Now, initially, these are determined by your environment and temperament, how you grew up. Changing a behavioral trait requires a desire and commitment to change, constant vigilance, and the willingness to adapt your natural personality traits and behaviors to improve your ability to deal with other people. People skills are also notoriously difficult to measure objectively. Here are some common examples of soft skills. Communication and collaboration skills, by nature, are soft skills. People focus. Curiosity, which is being genuinely interested in another person's perspective. Empathy, that wicked E word. Nonverbal communication or body language. Connecting with a group, and so on and so forth. In the context of leading or participating in collaborative conversations, communication is far and away the most critical social skill. As a result, we're going to dedicate an entire section to tips, tricks, and techniques for improving your communication skills. Techniques or hard skills, on the other hand, you can learn those by taking a course like this, reading a book, watching a video, trial and error, or simply following someone else's instructions. If you can repeat that technique many times, that builds mastery that can be measured by taking a test, which typically scores your level of expertise. A lot of professional organizations and government agencies can certify your achievements in your respective field of technical abilities. Some examples of techniques that contribute to collaborative conversations are agenda planning and invitations, organizing information, process design, meeting rules of engagement, time management skills, and so on. Now, we've introduced you to some specific techniques for a lot of these topics in the previous lectures and sections. The level of expertise you need in each technique depends on your unique situation. The only general rule is the larger the group size, the more variety and depth of expertise and experience you need of each technique to succeed. In addition, if you're leading a get-together with the goal of discovering and capturing business needs, you might also need to be proficient in business analysis skills or requirements analysis techniques, in writing, analyzing, validating, and generally working with user stories, features, functions, and exception criteria, familiarity with your organization and the problem domain, and so on. Many of those hard skills exceed the scope of this course. We highly recommend checking udemy.com for our other courses that cover those based on your specific need. Think about why you need them, when you need them, and the degree to which they impact the various forms of collaborative conversations.